So hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, as you must have read the title, in this video I'm playing against my father. So he's a really decent player, but we are not playing a normal game. We are playing it with odds. So odds are like I have the odds that I'm missing a rook, a knight and a pawn, and he will have all the pieces. So as it's a big disadvantage, we are playing on a chess app, and he also plays on this app but not that frequently, and he might miss some moves. But if I had played this the same with the same missing a rook, knight and a pawn, I would have 100% lost this on the board. And as this video is going on the Father's Day, it makes this video more special, and this game has had a crazy ending, so you must watch it till the end. So let's go on to the game. So guys, the game has started, and you can see I am in a not a really a position which you want. 10-minute game, the game has started. E4 e5, I would try for my king's safety. Actually, it would be my priority. Okay, protect this pawn. Actually, I can't do anything with the king side, but sorry, the queen side. Actually, I don't have three pieces there. Actually, if I was him, I would be trying to exchange the pieces, because after all I'm two pieces down. So okay, it's already a bit of problem for me. If I take, I should take, he can take back. What should I do right now? Really, guys, I don't want to mess this up. I'm gonna play this move. I think I should not be in a hurry. I have 10 minutes, so I should think well before any move. In the next move I can take this, also I can take. Let's see what he plays. He can take right now. That would be a good move. I can pre-move. Let's see. My king can right now castle. Okay, that's I would play this. Try to kick out his bishop. Guys, if he is from the beginning +9, not what you see usually. Guys, if I'm being honest, he doesn't. My father doesn't make any usual blunders like a piece blunder or something. So it's never easy. I can take this free pawn. Now he's +8. Wow. Okay, I at least got this pawn on A2 back. You can say it like that. But still, I am down a rook and a knight. Not down like that, but still. Guys, I'm threatening to take the B7 pawn. Okay, exchange. Okay, it's fine. Should I take? Yes. That's a smart tactic, trying to exchange the queens. But if I exchange the queens, that would be a tough job for me only. So it is not a wise decision right now. What is in threat? I think if I okay, it's a big trouble. Big trouble. So if I don't want to exchange it, still I don't have any good moves in this position. I can give a check, but he will block it. My knight is also hanging. I am exchanging, guys. Queen exchange in this early game, not really good for me. Not, but really bad. I think I need to set some forks, some discovered attacks, whatever I can do. Okay, attacking the knight. Guys, you can see from this game only how accurately, no mistakes till now. He will try to do castle. He will definitely move his knight. If he makes that move, you can understand that he knows chess really nice. And it's it. Like his chess.com rating is not much because he doesn't usually play, but if he plays, he would be pretty equal like me only, his rating. I think I should give a check. Yes, a check would be nice. If he blocks with the bishop, I will take it. If he does, I can get another pawn. He has to move his king. Yes, this move I was talking about. This wins me a pawn. Oh, do I get a bishop? Oh yes, guys. Techniques like this, like I got one bishop back. Or not. I mean, I got something back at least. He's now just +4, guys. I have done a decent job till now. I think from +9 to +4. Okay for me. I don't want to make any blunders. Okay, if I give this check, then I think I can win the pawn on c7 also, and then the pawn on the b7 will also be in attack. Let's see what he plays. Guys, what do you think? If he moves, I'm pretty sure he will. Okay, he makes that move. I was not sure about it. So, guys, I don't have much to worry. My king is guarding those three pawns, and after that, the queen side doesn't has much to protect about or worry about. Actually, his b7 pawn is also hanging. Let's see. No, like he made a piece blunder, not that big of a piece blunder because it was not that easy to see that tactic. I would attack his knight. I hope that there are no forks that I'm missing. Probably not. His knight will go back, and then I will push this pawn and get some counterplay. Should I push this pawn one square more? I think I should. Yes, because that would have helped my bishop also. This is a really nice move. Mine, guys. How do I protect this check from? Oh yes, I was actually out of breath. Like I was thinking that my piece is definitely gone. Okay, what should we do? Not exchange. What I have learned till now is not to exchange anything until it's really necessary when you are a piece down. Okay, so I have bought it to +3. So where did I got? Yes, this pawn also I got. So it's a +3. He doubled his. If I give a check, would that be helpful? I think I would give a check. Like rook e3 is always a move, but we will wait till the exact time when we have to play it. It's necessary. I think I would give another check, guys. After this check, there is a horrific blunder which he can make. No, it doesn't. Guys, I think I have to do this. I don't want to, but yes, it's what it is. I have to exchange the rooks. There's no other way, no other move actually in this position for him also. Okay, what is this now? What is this move? So what is this knight threatening? To take on c2? What if we push it? I don't see much, so I'm gonna push it. If he gets it to c2, I'm gonna exchange the rooks. I will exchange the rooks. Guys, it's the same thing. His rook is coming to e2, and I don't see any way to protect it. If I give a check, he takes the pawn. Guys, and by the way, if he plays king rook e2 in the next move, it's a mate also. Oh no, what did I do? Sorry for that. Guys, why do I think that? Why is he playing so good? Only move, guys, sorry. Gives a check, takes my. Oh no. Oh. Guys, how did this happen? I have my only last hope, the pawns. I'm gonna push them. Because actually I have pretty many passers here. Guys, you must have seen, like, this is a pretty accurate game. The accuracy is really high here. No big blunders, nothing. If I can even get a draw, like my pawns are in the center, I might try to promote them, but guys, in the end game the rook is superior. Guys, I think it's the right time to play this. And guys, right now, okay, I can set a trap. I can push my pawn, and if he takes it, I can take the knight. Okay, if he takes it, the knight will be hanging. That's a really good move. I have to appreciate myself for finding that. Or else the pawn will be passing. Nice, nice. Ray of hope in this darkness. Okay, now who stops it? Push? No. Guys, I think I over pushed it. I didn't had to do that much. Guys, if I push and he takes this, I can push again. No, but he will still do the same thing that he did to that pawn. Get the. Okay, I think I have to sacrifice this pawn for something. The pawn on g3. Actually, that pawn I should not sacrifice, maybe because it's getting a bind of everything. So guys, I think it's the right time to sacrifice the pawn. Bye pawn. Guys, when I took his bishop, I was really happy that. Okay. I was really happy that I might win this. And now you can see what is happening. Even if he gives me that rook, the pawn queens before my pawn, so that would be a thing. But where does the rook go now? Rook h7 maybe? An idea. My pawns are the only last hope. Maybe not the last hope even. I might lose this right now. Okay, a draw by repetition or something maybe. Another check. Yes, and after that please one more please. Guys, I don't know who taught him this good of a chess. Like he wasn't playing for such long time. I thought that I might beat him in odds chess. But guys, this is just a okay. Maybe I can take the pawns, then promote mine. Maybe that can work. Guys, I think you should hit the like button now because guys, you should definitely give it the hit the like button for my courage. Shouldn't have challenged him like that. Okay. Actually, the in the opening I should have got the bishop out, and then it would be a really nice because it was a dark squared bishop, and it's really nice against the if you are playing with white. Bishops are always helpful. My last day of hope is if I turn off the Wi-Fi and the connection goes off. But other than that I don't think anything can help me. This pawn is just for show off. Nothing. It will do nothing. Okay, but maybe guys now, if I push it, he has to take it. And after that, oh draw. Oh, it's a draw. Oh my god, it's a draw. You cannot checkmate with a knight. It's a draw, guys. I'm really happy. Yes. Oh, I got a draw. At least I. Oh, best I could have done. Really happy. Completely losing position. Guys, should I use the game report? Do I have one? Okay, let's analyze the game on the hand. Guys, I can't tell you how happy I am. This was just a lost end game. Guys, 91 accuracy. Guys, you should appreciate me definitely. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. And I might play another game without queen versus my father, and I hope I held the draw, and I'm really happy with the decision. His accuracy was also 80. That's really a high accuracy too. And bye bye.